How to save Instagram story with music in your gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can save the Instagram story with music on your gallery. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, go ahead and simply either download or update it. Once you have updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So currently, if I go ahead and simply show you one of the stories with music which I have created, you can see there is a music on it. But then if I want to save this story, what I will do is tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and I will simply tap on the save button which you see right over here. When I tap on the save video button, it will basically tell me to save without music. You can see it says that you can still save your video, but the music will be removed. Now the reason you are not able to do this is because the copyright owners have not made it available for download. Instagram is only a music to stream songs for the story. It is not a library itself. So there is no way. The other thing you can do is, instead of tapping on save, I will simply tap on the three dots icon, and at the very top you'll find this option which says download. So tap on download and select download this media file. As soon as you tap on download this media file, it says download started. Now I'll simply check whether our download has been completed or not. You can see it has been completed. Now if I go ahead and simply open the gallery app, you can see that story has been downloaded along with the music as well. And this is the way on how you can save Instagram stories with music in your gallery. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.